In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on iMessage on iPhone. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So let's show you from beginning. Just close the settings. For turning on iMessage on iPhone, just open settings and swipe up for messages. As you can see here, it is tap on messages and here is iMessage. So right now it's turn it off, so just tap on to turn on and it's confirming. Just okay. Now iMessage is turn it on. So that way you can turn on iMessage on iPhone. So if you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.